How to change your country on Quotex account on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily change your country on your Quotex account using PC. So if you're also using PC just like me, simply head over to any of your browser and inside your browser just searching for the quotex.com official website and you'll be redirected to this page, and just make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And under the left bar section you can see the hamburger icon, so simply click on it and just click on this account section, and from over here you can see your account detail. You can also edit your details just like this, and you can see there's the option called country under your account section. So simply select this country and just change your country to any of your preferred country just like this. So once you do that, hit the save button and your country will be saved just like that. So make sure you fill up all of your details as well. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.